Trim-Tex 847 spray adhesive is an effective solution for efficiently installing vinyl corner bead on the job site. The 847 spray is designed to be a high-tack, pressure-sensitive spray adhesive specifically engineered to be used with vinyl beads. The spray pattern disperses in a webby texture across the drywall paper, creating a higher density substance to allow more of a tack for the bead to adhere to. 847 spray adhesive maintains a strong bond between the bead and the drywall, while giving enough of a drying time for the installer to position the bead. Our new formula is a low VOC content, making it qualified to use on any job site in the nation. 847's ease of use allows for beads to be installed quickly and with high-quality results in a few easy steps. Simply spray one layer on the drywall and a layer to the mud legs of the bead. Install the bead once the spray becomes tacky and pressure the length of the bead onto the drywall with an installation tool or the handle of your taping knife. Trim-Tex 847 spray adhesive is engineered with you in mind, providing with first-rate installation results every time. For more information about this product and other innovative building solutions, visit trimtex.com.